Hello gurus and welcome to another episode. I hope you're having an amazing Sunday Easter. I'm here with family having cake, and it's funny because we're gonna buy cake as well. Cake pumped, the cryptocurrency. I bought around 60,000 of it, and if you've been following my videos lately, my goal is I want to buy 1 million of it, stake it, and get 63% cake interest per year. So with $1 million, it means 630,000 a year. Now, why do I want to do that? Because if it goes up, it means if I get $6 million of cake and it's 63%, I'm earning 630,000 a year in interest, but it's $8 at the moment. Its all-time high was $44. So that means the million will become around 5 million plus 63%. It's amazing compounding. So it can really be just huge. 5 million is 63% of 5 million is like 3 million a year in interest. Hit the subscribe button, join 71,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button. We're going to go into Bitcoin in this video and look at the technicals, predict the price, and we're going to go into cake. And then I'm going to buy another $30,000 of cake. That will make me that means I'll have $90,000 of cake, but I'm going to be buying $1 million of cake. Just slowly laddering in case it pulls back, then I can get it more on a discount. But it did pump today. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals for Bitcoin. Oh, this is cake, but we're going to look at that pump. But we'll come back to that. Let's look at Bitcoin first. So Bitcoin, a slight movement. It's playing out in the symmetrical triangle that I talked about. Let's go into the 4-hourly so we can see it clearly. We're still under the EMA ribbons. Look at it on the 4-hourly. It keeps trying to hit against the EMA ribbons. But look at this, like the movement the last few days has been a range, like so small range, between 40,000 and 40,600 pretty much. But this is good because it's building pressure here for a movement. And it isn't dropping with low volume. That's a good sign because normally when you have low volume, you have a big drop. But Bitcoin isn't dropping at the moment. And the symmetrical triangle, this one that's playing out, where we should move to the base of the triangle, it should be playing out soon, within the next 2 days. This triangle will break out in the next 2 days for Bitcoin. The direction can be either way. It can be to 41,500 or down to this support at 39,000. I'm leaning to the upside because we didn't break down with volume. So that's what's happening with Bitcoin. RSI and stochastic heading up. It's actually looking bullish. MACD is also heading up on the 4-hourly. On Bitcoin on the 4-hour, it's looking bullish. We're also fighting the EMA ribbons. They're trying to turn. VPVR, we've got a lot of support at the 39K. Crypto grew, but still fired a sell. It hasn't switched to the buy. You get it in the courses. Bitcoin indicator bot hasn't fired a buy yet either. But in my opinion, it's looking bullish because we didn't drop on low volume. Normally with low volume you drop, and that's something to be concerned about. So I could actually go long here on Bitcoin, target of 41,600, but in this video I'm going to buy another $30,000 of cake. I've got an order for Bitcoin at 39,000. Maybe I buy one here because we're holding the support. I'm going to buy one Bitcoin as well in this video. On the hourly, let's see what's happening on the hourly just to see if we can get a little bit cheaper price. RSI on the hourly is heading up. Stochastic on the hourly is heading up. Everything is heading up. It's good on both time frames. Also on the daily time frame, it's also nice for Bitcoin. Let's look at the daily time frame. It's slightly laggy here in this. I'm in the shopping center. On the daily time frame, we're climbing on this channel. RSI heading up, stochastic heading up. We're on the bottom of the channel. It's nice. Bitcoin is looking good here. I'm going to buy one Bitcoin here. So now let's go into my trading accounts. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this video, you can see the link in the comments and the description to Bybit and Femex. If you sign up to these exchanges, you get $8,200 worth of sign-up bonuses when you sign up. Bybit, if you sign up to Bybit with this link, you get $4,600 sign-up bonuses when you deposit Bitcoin. Femex, you get $4,100. These links are in the description and pinned comment. Use NordVPN if you have any restrictions. Let's go over to Bybit. We're going to buy one Bitcoin, then I'm going to buy some cake. So over on Bybit, I'm holding, in this account is $199,914, almost $200,000. I'm going to buy one Bitcoin currently. So let's buy one Bitcoin. You're watching me do this live, so I'm buying one quantity of Bitcoin at 40,384. Buy Bitcoin, confirm. Beautiful. I just bought one Bitcoin. It's filling the orders right now. You can see the order getting filled. Now I've got 0.4 Bitcoin. The order is being filled. Bitcoin just pumped a little bit, but it's coming back. So this order, I'm buying one Bitcoin at the moment, which is beautiful. $200,000 in this account. Now I'm going to have mainly Bitcoin. It's about to finish that trade. Now let's look at cake, because again, that's my favorite cryptocurrency. Let's go into cake now. So now we're going over to cake. And this is cake's chart. We broke out of this descending kind of channel downtrend. We broke out of it a few weeks ago, 1 or 2 weeks ago. Now we're heading up, and in my opinion, it's looking bullish. Volume's coming in as well. On the daily, RSI is heading up. Stochastic is heading up from oversold. Looking beautiful. Moving average is heading up. It's looking really good for Cake. Let's go on the 4-hourly. And on the 4-hourly, we had some mega buy just now. MACD is heading up for the 4-hourly. Stochastic is overbought on the 4-hourly, but heading up. RSI has got more to go. So it's looking bullish for Cake. We broke out, and someone just now bought a lot of Cake on the hourly candle. And we broke out. If we can hit the target, I think would be around here. But I'm not going to go all in. $9.14 will be the first target. I'm going to buy it just slowly, keep adding in. I've bought $60,000. Now I'm going to keep buying more. Bitcoin indicator bot has fired a buy on Cake. The crypto guru bot just flipped to a buy. Ooh, I'm going to buy $60,000 of Cake then. VPR, we've got a lot of support up there. EMA ribbons, we're above the EMA ribbons for Cake now. I'm going to buy then $60,000 of Cake here. So let's go over to Bybit. So this is my on exchange Bybit. In here I have $532,000, 13 Bitcoin worth of money. And I'm going to buy Cake. I'm going to buy $60,000 worth of Cake. 60,000. So 7,177 Cake. And I'm buying that right now at the current price by 7,177 Cake. That's $59,999 Cake. Confirm. Now it's filling. I just bought 22%, 1,500 Cake. The order is now filling 27%. I've got now 1,900 Cake. And once I get the Cake, I'm going to stake it. This is my staking. This is my real account that I'm staking right now. And you can see here, in this account, I've got $47,000 of Cake. I've got 47,000 in this stake pool, and you can see that on this Cake stake pool I'm getting 62.78% APY. So that means with this 47,000 per year, I'm making around $36,000 a year compounding. I've got 5,600 Cake here staked. Recent profits, I made $265, 31 Cake in staking profits. And in this pool, the auto Cake pool, I've got $16,000 of Cake, which they both went up around 2,000, or they went up around 2% today. So I made a few $1,000s on this, and I've got 129 recent Cake profits in this pool. And this is also staking at 62%. So I made $129, 15 Cake in the last, I think, few days. I've got this total, I've got 1,900 Cake, $16,000, which went up a few $1,000s today. Here, this went up a few $1,000s. I've got 5,600 Cake, and I made $265, 31%. So this gives me, both of them give me 62% APY. There's a difference between them. I'll explain in the next video. So now I'm going to move the Cake that I just bought here. It's filled 2,400. When I get the $60,000 worth of Cake, I'm going to move it to stake for 63% APY. Again, all of this in the links in the description and the pinned comment down below in the comment and description. Sign up to all these links. Sign up to everything in the comment section. Learn what I'm doing. Join my students. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing, amazing Easter. Hit the subscribe button. Join 71,000 people. Smash the thumbs up button. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.